this gate.io, and I want to show you guys how to open it. So you can just click on sign up. It's a very simple thing. You select your country. If you're in Nigeria, you select Nigeria. If you're in maybe any other country, you can select your country here. Then the next thing is to enter your email, and then you enter the password you're going to use. Then you click on this accept. Then you go for sign up. Okay, I'm going to fill it now. I'll click on sign up. I'll show you the next page. So make sure you mark this good. So if you want to use your referral code, I'll put the code on the comment section. You can just put down as your referral code. Just check the comment section or the description of this video. Thank you. So the next thing, you will just they will send your code to your they'll send code to your Gmail. Then you just enter the code. Then there's something they'll send to you. Just swipe it to fit in the box that'll be there. Then you click on the register. So the next thing, you can just do your verification, which is very simple. You go back. So just continue. Maybe you cannot verify, or maybe verify later. So we just verify later. So you're already good to go. Now require document now. So you skip. So this is the exchange. Can allow to send you notification or don't allow. So everything is just still the same like other exchange. This is your wallet where your money will show up, a moment, trade, and you have home here. So that is all. Thanks for watching. See you guys in our next update. To verify it, just follow your home, go home, then you click on this place.